Cute little round brush. First reaction, I wish this was longer. I'm so excited because I got a Dyson Airwrap. Everyone on my channel and all my clients are constantly asking me, are they worth the money? Are they good? Why are they so expensive? Why is it better than using a regular dryer? Why is it better than using a hot tool? Why should I get it? Okay, so the reason I got it is because it's at Costco. Normally, they're like $600 or something. This was $399.99. If you're gonna buy it, you might as well buy it on sale, right? I'm basically figuring out if it's worth it for y'all to buy it at Costco versus the regular one, and what's the difference between the one they sell at Costco. So we're gonna find out all of these things. Now that I've got it, I'm gonna be trying it out and making tutorials and seeing all the ways that we can use it and showing you guys, because a lot of people have asked me for that. Finally, the Dyson Airwrap. This is the one that they sell at Costco. It looks to me like they've got, I think, the basics in here. So it says, curl, shape, smooth, and hide flyaways with no extreme heat. We like that. So it's got the curling one, the round brush, and then the flyaway attachment. The flyaway attachment says it focuses airflow quickly and rough dries hair in preparation for styling. So this is good. It's a blow dryer. You're still rough drying and drying your hair, and then you would go in with the round brush or the curler. Biggest thing for me with this thing is no extreme heat. So it regulates the temperature of the heat, which is why I recommend this to everybody, because I want you to be able to style your hair really well, but not damage your hair, right? We want healthy hair. The Coanda Air Styling, propelled by the Dyson Digital Motor V9. Re-engineered styling attachments with enhanced Coanda airflow for more control. Switch airflow directions as you style. A rotating valve in the tip allows you to switch the directions of the airflow between clockwise and counterclockwise for curls in both directions. So you don't have to put a new attachment in to curl one way or the other. Nice. Negative ions. Charged particles in the airflow help reduce static in the hair. And that's a real thing. It actually helps. I've seen videos on it, even though I've never understood what that really means. The negative ions are important. The Dyson Digital Motor V9 spins at up to 110,000 RPM, generating 3.2 kPa, I don't know what that is, of pressure, enough to create the Coanda effect. What is the Coanda effect? Protects hair from extreme heat damage, most important part. Intelligent heat control. Measures air temperature over 40 times a second and regulates the heat. That's why I love it. That's why I tell everyone to get it. Ooh, and it has a 2-year warranty. And you know, anything you buy from Costco has a dope warranty too, so that is another reason getting anything from Costco is a good idea. Very nice packaging. You can register it on the Dyson website for your warranty and stuff. Ooh, it's so shiny. Here is the wand, the main thing. Let's see how long the cord is. Pretty long cord, long enough. Nice, long cord. Really light so far. That's nice. It's got a nice filter. Not as intense as the filter on my newest professional Dyson hair dryer, but that is a professional tool, so maybe that's why. Ooh. Filter cleaner. Cute little round brush. First reaction, I wish this was longer. I'll be fine, but I feel like anyone else might want a longer attachment than that. And maybe a little fatter. This is pretty small. This is definitely for this, to clean that off. This is important because we know that you do not want to go in your hair with the round brush or the curler when it's sopping wet. So you have to get your hair majority of the way dry first. And this has a little thing, ooh, that you turn. And I wonder what that means. Okay, there's something here that like you put away or you take out. So we're definitely gonna have to read the directions. The curling wand. I know that in the old ones, they had to have 2 separate ones of these, one to go this way and one to go that way. So it's pretty sick that they figured it out. it shows an arrow going that way, and you just rotate this thing one way for it to curl that way, and then you rotate it the other way to curl the other way, and it looks like it does like nothing, but apparently it does everything. So that's pretty cool. These, I assume, are the directions. Our mission is simple: solve the problems others ignore. Yes, they're doing that. I can tell you that right now. Because everyone's making the same stuff, and then these guys came and made something different and literally solved all the problems that, like, even the ones you didn't know you had. Volumizing and shaping, round volumizing brush. All right, it's gonna tell you exactly how to do that. Cool. It's showing you how to do the round brush and what to do first. Rough, dry hair with Coanda smoothing dryer first. Use on dry hair to hide flyaways. Okay. Rotate cool tip to select smoothing mode. Press against hair to switch airflow direction. We're gonna have to mess with that to understand what that even means. They have nice directions with photos on how to do the rough dry, and then how to take sections and how to curl. And it's showing you to go in and out, and then click to go the opposite direction. So yeah, that's pretty straightforward, I think. And that's not even like a video or anything. So we're gonna do the video, even though they gave us great direction, I think. Let's just figure out how to put these on quick. You can see that there's a lock and an unlock. So I think that's how you take it off. And then you can see here, there's like these gaps, and then there's 4 little knobs on there. So we're gonna put that in there and just shove it on. And that's all I have to do. Cool. And then pull this, I think, and take it off. Sick. Let's just try them all. Nice. This is plenty big for my hair, but I think they even have a longer one that you can do. And then this one. I'm so confused about that still. We're gonna figure that out later. So that is what the Costco Dyson Airwrap comes with. It seems like a good, solid, basic beginner's set. I don't know why it wouldn't work for most people unless you have super long, super thick hair. I think you could still definitely do it. It might just take you a little bit longer to get through your hair with these specific tools. So let's look on the Dyson website and see what the other options are for the Airwrap. There are definitely a lot of attachments that you can get. There's the special edition Dyson Airwrap multi-styler complete long in ceramic pop. And this is $599.99. It comes with a long curling wand, a short curling wand, the rough dryer. It looks like 2 different like smoothing heads, and then a round brush attachment and a travel case. The travel case would be nice for sure. There's another one, Airwrap Complete Long Diffuse in nickel copper. So that one is more for diffusing, and that is $599.99. It's for curly coily hair, and that has like more of smoothing things for your curly hair. So like a pick that kind of combs through it and smooths it, a diffuser to add the curls back in, a smoothing attachment, a round brush attachment, and the rough dry attachment. So those are actually the only ones they offer on the actual Dyson site, it looks like. They don't even offer this set. So I guess Costco gets stuff specifically made for them and sells it. So this is a killer deal because you literally cannot get the Airwrap for this price otherwise. I think you can maybe purchase the other attachments separately, which is nice because then you can just add on to it. So I'd say without having done anything with it, it seems like a solid deal. And I just love the heat regulation in terms of the temperature control and stuff. So stay tuned and watch my next upcoming videos if you want to see how it works. I'm excited about it.